Hello, hello! What's up guys? Oras na naman ang lutuan natin. Ito po ang ating masarap na chicken curry. Ingredients for our chicken curry. Chicken, whole piece of chicken, potatoes, bell pepper, curry, and also coconut. First, I cook potato. Ayan guys, I cut a bit dices para hindi siya madurog kapag lulutuin natin. Sila guys, bawang, luya, natin sibuyas. Curry, ready-made curry. This is a ready-made curry with base. Right amount of water. Okay, let's put the leg and simmer it, guys. Let's do medium fire. Ayan guys, at sabay-sabay yung ating kalan. Ayan na ang ating lagay na natin ang ating patatas. Pan natin ulit. Ayan na guys, malapit na yung ating curry. Tugtog is life na naman tayo guys. Ayan ang ating curry. Ayan. Nakikita na yan guys. At saka yung paborito natin. Ayan. So guys, lagyan na natin ang ating bell pepper. Guys, tingnan nyo yan guys. Lalagyan na natin ng gata. Lalagyan ng gata guys. Guys, last, let's put some coconut cream. Nice, look at that. Wow. Yummy. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo naman ang sarap, creamy. Ayan guys, super yummy. Ayan guys, tapos na tayo nagluto. Ang sarap niya guys, yan, promise. Kaya natin hindi nilagyan na yan ng asin, ng mga ano, kasi yung ating curry guys ay timplado na siya. Lagyan ko na yan ng konti. Ang pampasarap lang natin dun guys ay chicken broth.